The other synthesis route, we call it gel route. This one would have some organic chemistry in it. This one would have some organic chemistry in it, okay? A little bit. Quite often people call one is called the sol-gel process. Sol-gel, that's a solution, which we call sol, and then become a partial solid. We call it gel, partially bonded solution. We don't go into the detail, but solution quite often of metal alkoxide, those metal organo compound goes through hydrolysis, which is they react with water and condensation. The products are linked together to form a read to yourself semi-solid three-dimensional gel. Semi-solid three-dimensional gel feels like a silicone. Feels like silicone when it's dry. Do you know what I'm talking about for window caulking? Yeah. For those things, network of nanoparticle, which often after heat treatment gives you your ceramic fine powder. And some other method, Bikini method, which is to similar to sol gel, but instead of using metal alkoxide, you are using carboxylic acid, citric acid, or ethylene glycol, these type of things, to form a complex with metals and form gel. And after heat treatment, that's how you get powder. Okay, glycine nitride process. It's related to this gel, but it going through a combustion. Solution of metal nitrate, NO3, metal nitrate with glycine, a very small molecule, okay, that contains nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. Subject to intensive heating, you quite often put it on a hot plate and read to yourself. Self-ignite. It has organics in there. It has nitrogen, nitrate. Nitrate group give out oxygen, so it would self-combust. An intensive reaction to produce metal oxide. That's a image. Okay, what it happens? Essentially you do that in a beaker with flame. So if you are going to do it, what are you going to do for safety precaution? Do you put a lot of paper on you near there? No. Do you put a lot of solvents near there? No, right? You know it's open flame, so quite often you put that in the hood to protect yourself a little bit. Reasonably clean, reasonably open. Don't put solvents. Don't put the combustible other stuff around it. Put a lot of wood paper around it. You're asking for trouble, right? Then you heat it up, okay? And keep your quantity. Don't make 2 kilogram. Start with 10 gram, 50 gram, and see what happens. Make sense? Don't make a kilogram and make a bomb. Common sense, right? Think of it. When you start to do it, start from very small quantity. Don't make a bomb.